In this video, we'll be continuing on with Bandit and going through level 4/5, going through from level 4 to level 5. So let's get started. The password for the next level is stored in a only human readable file in the in here directory. Tip: if your terminal is messed up, try the reset command. So we are looking for human readable files, or specifically we're looking for an attribute about files. Now you'll find often that when you are reading directions, right, like what you need to do, you'll find the answer right inside of it. For example, we're talking about files, so why don't we use the file command, right? Because we need to find options that can help us find an only human readable file. So let's check out the file command. So if we do a man file, you can see a bit about the file command. Determines file type. Okay, let's look for human readable. Now to do that, I type just a / and that allows you to look quicker through things. Says causes the file command to output MIME type strings rather than more traditional human readable ones. Thus, it may be, say, text/plain ACII. Why don't we go back up? Various types of text files. This test will try to guess the text encoding irrespective of the settings of the encoding options. ASCII text. So, a little bit of history about Linux. If you didn't know, ASCII text is human readable text. Okay, so if you see this, this means human readable, and that's super, super important. So now that we know that, let's do an ls real quick. And why don't we cd into in here, do an ls. Great, and they all have hyphens. Okay, so we will need to do a file, right? And we could do a /, okay? And you remember the / from a few levels ago. This is the current directory, and then / and then we could do a -file 0 and then n *. Okay, so what did I just do there? So I explained the /, and that allows you to do the hyphen, right? But we have this asterisk here, and what does that mean? So the asterisk is I believe a regular expression, right? It's a regular expression, and it sorry. So the asterisk is a regular expression, and basically what it says is you in this specific spot in the text, put any number of any character, including numbers or letters. So, for example, if you say dash or file // dash, and then you do this file 0 and an asterisk, it could say file 0 asterisk 1, 2, 10, 1,000, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, etc. Right? And even if I did a file, if I did a / asterisk here, it would do the same thing. It would fill in anything, no matter what. Does that make sense? So this asterisk is a wildcard. That means any character, number, whatever, and any number of them, right? And the question mark would mean only one number of any character, letter, or whatever. So if you were worried, if you only wanted to look through these, maybe you had a couple of files that said file 0, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and you only wanted, maybe you only wanted to look through these files and you didn't want to go into the files that had, 100 or 3 digits here, then you could do a question mark. Or watch this, for example. We could do a -file 0 question mark. Do the same thing. So the question mark says any character or number or whatever, but only once, right? Only in this specific spot. And the wildcard says, dude, just fill it in with whatever the heck you want, just anything you want. So, but what do we see here now? We see this ASCII text. And what did we say earlier? That means human readable. So Excellent. Why don't we cat dot slash dash file 07. And boom, we got our password. So that was not too difficult, I hope. We did have to learn a new command, but I think we figured it out. And we also learned a bit about regular expressions, which everyone hates. No one likes regular expressions unless you hate yourself. That's not true. That's rude. But still, my point stands. I hate regular expressions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next level. Thank you.